time. I appreciate those that have subscribed and they also spend their time watching content on my YouTube channel. Just in case you are just coming in contact with this channel for the very first time, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell whenever there is content posted here so that you'll be one of those that will be notified. Now, before I digress, I would be talking today on some of the best businesses that you can start as a beginner to start making money online. One thing I want you to understand is, first of all, everything is dependent on you as a person. How do you want your things to be? What are the things that you need to do? First of all, you should understand that the internet space is so big, so wide, so broad, and you can't just afford to be lazy and be expecting that you make money online. No, you need to put in the work. That's the first thing. You need to put in the work. You don't need to afford to start lazing around and be hoping that you get money. To make money online, you need to sell a product. Selling a product could actually mean a physical product or a digital product. When it comes to selling a product, you need to understand that there are different types of products out there, different types of physical products, which you can actually get from platforms, other e-commerce platforms. Do you understand? So these products, by the time you sell them, I'll show you an example. Now, let me see. Let's go to one of these sites. Let me see Gigi. We all know Gigi. Gigi is a marketplace. People sell their products. Okay. Now, Gigi as a marketplace, people could actually sell cars, mobile phones, and the rest. Now, let me see. Looking for, let's say, phone magnifier. Give me a minute. Phone magnifier. Okay. Let's wait for it to load. Now this phone magnifier, we'll see the prices. They are portioned to this product. Now, these phone magnifiers, they have different variations. This is one now, 20,000, 15,000, 11,500, and so on. Now, you see this one 3,000 now. This one 1.5. You can actually pick a product like this that is very cheap, you sell for more value. Now I'll 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 take it to another place. Let me show you what people are actually making on this particular product on Facebook. Facebook. Comfort slash ads my library. Now you come to this site, Facebook/ads library. Now let's say Nigeria. This is the country where we're based, Nigeria. Ads category, select all ads, then search for phone magnifier. Let's see people that are running ads on this particular product. You can see this is the same product you see on GG. We'll click on this one now. See now. You understand? So let's see how much this person is selling this product. 15,000. You understand? So you can buy this product for maybe 1,500, as you can see here, or even 4,000 naira, or maybe 4,500, as this person is selling, and sell for 15,000. You understand? So that's one way you can actually make money online. Apart from this product, let me look for something else. Let's see, phone. Phone pouch. Let me click on phone pouch. You can see different types of pouch. Okay, no, these ones are phones. These ones are phones. Search prompt is not working well. Okay. These are phone pouch. Okay, let me say Samsung Ultra. Go back to Facebook. Ads. Library. Ads library. Ads library. Come down here. Click on Nigeria. You must put it to the country where you reside. Nigeria. All ads. You see people that are running ads selling this kind of products. You can even search for wristwatches, anything, smart wristwatches. Do you understand? You see people that are actually selling these products and making real money for themselves. You understand? So it depends on your hustling spirit and how you want to really get these things done. Let me see. Jude communication. Okay, GD Divine Communication link. This one I think is ads is no more running. Let me see. Order for layout of sales smartwatches. Okay. Let me go back here and check for smartwatches. See them. There are different types of smartwatches. Different prices actually are fixed to this product. Now, let's see. Okay, let me see smartwatches. You see tons and tons of ads that will come up selling smartwatches. Understand? So, I think with this little insight, you would have been able to understand that there are lots of things that you can actually do on this internet space depending on your search preference. You understand? So, I believe I've been able to show you some things that you can actually do using these tools to actually make money online. Before we go further, you could also sell physical products, digital products rather. These digital products could range from ebooks, digital products. Now, these digital products could be your artwork that you sell the soft copies, ebooks, your music. You understand? You sell them online and you actually make money. You understand? So it depends on you and the platforms where you can actually sell all these things. There are so many from Seller to Diggistem. Um, there are so many. All you need to do is to sign up, even if it's not your digital product you're selling. You can actually sell other people's digital products on this platform as an affiliate. So there are a lot of things that you can actually do. You don't need to sit down and wait till all your ideas become reality, but you can actually start from where you are in your small way. You grow gradually. You understand? So I believe with these few points I've been able to give you an insight on what you need to do and how you need to go about the process of you making money online.